Now, flooding has affected several areas in Cavite and Rizal amid continued rains brought by the southwest monsoon. To give us the latest situation in the region, we are joined by Mark Rafael Sasutona, Information Officer of the Office of Civil Defense, Calabarzon. Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Thank you for joining us.
Hello ma'am, magandang umaga po. Isang maulang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Well, it is indeed a difficult weekend for many of us, Filipinos, because of the severe flooding in many areas of our country. Now, what is the current situation on the ground right now? At ano pa po yung mga areas na talagang binabantayan po natin ngayon?
Currently ma'am, we are experiencing in different provinces po ng light to moderate rains. Oftentimes na lang po, medyo mas mahina na po siya compared to yesterday. But definitely po, we have monitoring po ng ating mga IOR dun sa part specifically in Laguna, provinces of Laguna, Cavite, and Batangas and Rizal. So they are reported po nung ating mga flooded areas, certainly in areas po ng Cavite, in Batangas and in Rizal. So aside from that, ma'am, continuously monitoring po tayo dun sa mga residents po natin na nagkaroon po ng evacuation po sa mga areas po na nagkaroon ng evacuation.
Sir, may official report or latest figures na po ba kayo pagdating sa casualty, sa mga injured, pati na rin po sa mga missing persons?
With regards po dun sa reported injured, we have 2 reported po in Cavite, 1 in Cavite and 1 in Rizal, in Naik po and in Rizal po. And dun po sa ating list po ng casualties, we have details but definitely this is subject for validation po ng MDM cluster. We have 6 actually, ma'am, monitored in Calabarzon, but definitely these are all subject for validation po ng MDM cluster. Though ito po ay tinatriangulate po ng ating agencies para po makonfirm kung related po in our current po na weather system po na iniiral, which is Lahabat.
Sir, ano po yung mga locations na naka-record na po ng mga landslides and ano po yung mga critical zones na kailangan i-monitor?
Actually, ma'am, we have reported po in Rizal, the Montalban po yung biggest po natin. May reported mo tayo ng mga rock slides. Sa Antipolo din, ma'am, may mga reported po. In Cavite, meron po sa General Marian Alvarez. Based po ito dun sa ating latest situation report to Manha. And also, we are monitoring landslide in soil erosion in Santo Tomas. We have reported po rock slide in Batangas City, and we monitor din po yung collapse hilltop in Antipolo, and also soil erosion in Taytay, Rizal po, and also San Mateo.
Well, sa ngayon po, sir, ilan na po ang naitalang affected na families po, Dahil nga po dito sa sunod-sunod na mga pag-ulan, ilan po ang nasa evacuation center? At tanong na rin po namin, sir, kung meron na rin po ba tayong initial assessment doon sa damage to infrastructure and agriculture?
Ma'am, based dun sa latest situation report namin, itong affected population details po natin is based on the latest provided po ng drone report ng DSWD. So, we have monitored po from Cavite, 13 LGUs, from Laguna, 7 LGUs, 21 LGUs in Batangas, 10 LGUs in Rizal, and 5 LGUs in Quezon. So, based po dun sa affected population, there are a total of 25,322 families composed of 91,011 individuals from the 286 barangays in Calabarzon na monitored po natin.
Calabarzon.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we will...
Sige, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sir Mark Rafael Sasutona, Information Officer of the Office of Civil Defense,
Thank you so
Calabarzon.
much.